Hey guys, Dale Diamond, Chunky Monkey Traveler. You can see by the train tracks behind me. I am day 3 of this adventure, I believe. This is a brand new train that Mexico is building. It's going to contact 18 stop points in a big circle around Mexico. We're taking it from Cancun to Merida, and the cost, it'll be about 3 hours. The train goes about 100 miles an hour. I believe it might have 4 or 5 stops on it. It'll take 3 to 3.5 hours to finish it. But it's brand spanking new. They're still building. They're building the other legs of it. And I know the cost to go from Cancun to Merida was $49 and change if you're a non-Mexican citizen. Big difference in price. If you're a Mexican citizen, you get a really good discount. So, but $49 and change, and we'll see what this is all about. Brand spanking new. Got a bar on board. So, hey, let's go along for the adventure. Hey, real quick, I wanted to add to this is this train station is on the backside of the Cancun airport, but they have a shuttle that will take you right from the airport right to this station and vice versa. So, just for information to help you out if you're traveling and you're not staying in Cancun, you're just going to fly in and then jump over on train and go to Progresso or Merida or something like that. So. Yeah.
Okay, so let's see if it goes 6 stops we have.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Merida, then Progresso.
Oh, I like this for the table.
Yeah.
You've been here before?
No, first time.
First time?
I arrived in Mexico today. So.
Oh, okay.
And also our suitcase, the blue one is in the back there.
Sure.
Blue one's where? Nice seats.
See, now the bar's all backed up.
How you doing?
Time in Mexico?
No, no. Yeah, I'll be down. that the train? I see buses over there, but okay guys, once you get off the train, you come into the main lobby. Right in this little room you can get your tickets for this bus. Will take you to Central. It only costs you 55 pesos. Yeah, I think that's less than about $2.50. So you get that, and then as you can see, that crazy looking bus over there, that will take us to downtown Merida, and then we'll figure our way to get to Progresso from there.